Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joe Burgess. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little mini tool haul. This is stuff I've had for a little while, but I just never put out there, so I just figured I'd throw it out there now and show you guys. Most recent one was a couple of Blue Power by Cornwell 1/4 inch socket sets. Because I guess they come in a nice little case here, only 5 to 15 millimeter, all impact worthy, and yeah, 1/4 inch is nice to have, and an impact set's pretty good to have too. So I decided, well, let's give it a shot. The price was right, and I figured we'd give it a shot. So it's like a handy little set. You get a deep set here. Like I said, they're all laser marked in the middle, and then they're cold stamped on the bottom here with the part numbers, as you can see. So if you need a warranty or warranty issue, you can go to your rep and he can check it out for you, and hopefully make the warranty exchange. I have to say, this Cornwell guy is pretty cool. I never had Cornwell dealer before. I only had Mac Tools. Now I have a Mac Tools dealer, Cornwell dealer, and a Snap-on dealer. So I got all three. I just don't have Matco. So like I said, he came to the shop, and he's selling these off, and like I said, it wasn't too bad. So I said give him a shot. They come in this pretty handy case here, and we'll give him a try. So far it looks like a nice little set to have around. So I figured I'd take a shot. So that was the long set right there. And I'm going to bring it over here. Just throw it on the box. This thing's starting to fill up pretty good. The inside as well. So now I'm just utilizing the top here. So most of the top's being used up. So I'm running out of space. So now I'm actually using the top of the box, because everything else, is up here on the wall, and pretty easy access if I need it. So, but right now, we're just putting it up here, on top of the box. So, all right. So, going to the shallow set here. This box is a little different. Gives you a little storage slot in the back here, which is pretty cool. If you want to put like maybe nuts or bolts in there if you have to, or other things, maybe pots, stuff like that. So just to have around, or put a couple in here, But yeah, these another nice little set, in a shallow, and same thing. It's got the name stamped on it. Then somewhere at the bottom, it's cold stamped with the part number. And that's pretty nice. I like the way they do that. And plus, they give you this little case as well. So far, I have to say, guys, with this Cornwell guy, he's pretty cool. He's new on the scene, and so far, I've liked what he's done. He's given me no problem with anything I've had warranted, because I've had Cornwell products I've bought in the past. I'm like, okay, I've got Cornwell, and I've had some of them around. Just didn't have a dealer, so it's nice when someone will help you out. So far so good. We have a good business relationship. So. A couple of things I bought here. This is just a used tool haul here, and this is the used tool haul half of it. So got a nice 1/2 inch extension. It's a 20-inch extension, a little rusted, but not bad, not bad, and that will do the job. You know, um, the Snap-on guy is pretty cool too. He's he's new. He's not new to he's new to me, but he's been doing it a while, so he's been taking care of my needs as well. So I'll be talking to him about a few things. So all right, guys, here's another one. Nice flare wrench set here. It goes from 3/8, and we're going all the way to 11/16. And 2, 4, 6, 7-piece set. So yep, 7-piece set. And let's get some nice sizes in there. And that was a nice one right there. That wasn't too bad. I think that was a $50 bill. But breaker bar here. 3/8 breaker bar. This is a nice one. Looks like it has a little bit of use to it, but all in all, doesn't look too bad. Looks like it's going to do the job. And if I have any problems with it, my new rep's pretty cool. I like him, and like I said, he's been pretty cool. And this one here, we got a bent handled Snap-on ratchet. Got the deep offset bent handle here. It's an older style. It's got the coarser teeth. FBR 936 with a deep offset handle. That's a pretty nice one. The coarse teeth don't really bother me. I can deal with that. And as long as it gets the job done, that's all I care about, guys. You all know that. So that's the bottom line for that. And last but not least here, we got an orange Snap-on ratchet, long handle. I'm gonna have to talk to him about this one. This one I had in a tool haul a while ago, but this actually, I don't think it has a replaceable shaft on it, so I think it's fixed inside the handle. So I think he's gonna have to warranty this one for a brand new one. 7/32 SGD 410, so it means orange handle. So, and it's a slotted type. So but this is a little taste of what I got got hanging around, guys. And I did one earlier than this. It's being premiered tomorrow. I figured I'd do this one, just to show you guys a real quick one. It's been a long weekend, so I figured I'd shoot another one for you. So this is a nice quick one for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. See ya.